Morning, dear learners. Morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Ganami Inusa. Welcome to École au Burkina. Then happy to be with you for another sessions entitled Deforestation. First, I'm going to read the text, and after reading the text, I'm going to read the questions and try to propose answer to the different questions. So, text. Deforestation, a global challenge. Deforestation is one of the most pressing environmental issues faced by our planet today. It refers to the large-scale removal or destructions of forests, which are crucial to the health of the environment. Forest covers about 31% of the Earth's land area, providing countless benefits such as absorbing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, and maintaining biodiversity. However, human activities are causing widespread deforestation, and its consequences are far-reaching. One of the main drivers of deforestation is agriculture. In many parts of the world, forests are cleared to make way for large agricultural plantations, especially for crops like soy, palm oil, and coffee. Livestock farming, particularly cattle raising, also plays a significant role in the deforestation, especially in countries like Brazil. Forests are often burned to create pastures land, which contributes not only to deforestation but also to air pollution through the release of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases. Urbanization is another contributing factor. As population grows, cities expand, and more land is cleared to build infrastructure such as roads, housing, and factories. In developing countries where rapid urbanization is taking place, the demand for wood and other forest resources is also increasing, further accelerating deforestation. The consequences of deforestation are severe. First, it leads to the loss of biodiversity. Forests are home to a vast number of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. When forests are destroyed, these species are at the risk of extinction. Moreover, deforestation disrupts ecosystems, leading to soil erosion, reduced water equality, and climate change. Forest plays a key role in regulating the water cycle, and the removals can lead to the depletion of water sources, affecting both humans and wildlife. Deforestation also contributes significantly to climate change. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cut down, the carbon stored in these trees is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming. In fact, deforestation accounts for approximately from 10 to 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Efforts to combat deforestation are ongoing. Various international organizations, governments, and environmental groups are working together to raise awareness about the issue. The promotion of sustainable agriculture, the implementation of stricter regulations on logging, and reforestation programs are some of the strategies being used to reduce deforestation. However, much more needs to be done to protect forests and the essential services they provide. In conclusions, deforestation is a critical issue that requires urgent attention. It is essential that we take collective action to protect our forests for future generations. This involves changing our consumption patterns, supporting sustainable practices, and holding governments and corporations accountable for the destructions of our natural resources. Then adapted from ChatGPT, the useful words and expressions related to the text: livestock farming, which means influence élevage de bétail, and urbanizations, which means urbanisation, carbon dioxide, dioxide de carbone, and reforestation, reboisement, ecosystem, sustainability, durability. And big one, comprehensions, a vocabulary. Instruction: choose the correct word to fill in the blanks based on the context of the deforestation text. Number one, deforestation causes significant, we have the gaps to the environment leading to the loss of biodiversity. And a proposal of answer A, damage; B, advantages; C, opportunity; D, growth. Number two, the expansions of is a major factors contributing to the destructions of forest. Proposal of answer A, technology; B, agriculture; C, tourism; D, education. And number three, when forests are cut down, the carbon stored in trees is released into the worsening climate change. Proposal of answer A, oceans; B, atmosphere; C, soil; D, underground. And number four, governments are working on policies to promote the responsible use of forest resources. Proposal of answer A, restrictive; B, sustainable; C, harmful; D, aggressive. After the A, we have the B, true or false statements. Instructions: read the text and decide if these statements are true or false. Okay, it's according to the text. Statement number one, deforestation only occurred in tropical rainforests. True or false? Number two, agriculture is one of the main drivers of deforestation, particularly the productions of soy, palm oils, and coffee. True or false? And number three, urbanization has no significant effect on deforestation. True or false? And number four, deforestation has no impact on biodiversity. True or false? Number five, reforestation programs are one of the solutions to combat deforestation. Okay, these are the questions on B, true or false statement, and C, open-ended questions. Number one, what is one of the primary causes of deforestation mentioned in the text? Number two, how does deforestation contribute to climate change? Number three, what impact does deforestation have on biodiversity? And number four, what role does urbanization play in deforestation? Number five, what are some solutions to combat deforestation mentioned in the text?